Welcome to another chapter of SystemVerilog course, and in this chapter we are discussing about SystemVerilog queue. So as we have already understand about dynamic array and associative array, so this has dynamic memory and this has our sparse memory. So this queue also has sparse memory, and you can see to understand it considered as same as the single dimensional unpacked array that grows and reduces automatically if it is bounded queue. Means if you have declared some range for this queue, then it will act as a sparse memory whenever you increase the memory, whenever you decrease the memory. Okay, and unbounded also. Okay, now a queue is a variable size and ordered collection of elements in homogeneous element. Okay, or homogeneous element means what does this mean? Like this is some array, and if you have put here int, then all should be int. Okay, int. And if you have put some data type of bit, so this element bit should be always bit for a whole length or whatever you are entering in this array. So this queue should have homogeneous element, means same data type should be there whenever you put something inside our queue. Now there are two types of queue. One is bounded queue, and unbounded queue means it has some range, so limited number of entries are there, and unbounded queue means you have unlimited amount of entries you can put here. Now how should we declare this? So first the queue should have a data type. So first data type, then name of the queue, whatever the name you want to give, the name of the queue should be mentioned. Now here is the tricky part. So if you declared like dollar, a simple dollar, then it is unbounded without any limit. If you have declared here dollar is to 9, means 0 to 9, then it has 10 entries, so it is bounded queue. It is also simple, right? So these are two types of queue with number of entries, limited or unlimited. Now how should you put some values inside queue? Okay, this is one method which is standard method for array. You declared an array and put some entries with the help of our curly brackets. Okay, this is your standard practice. Now queue has some different methods which are already declared in your SystemVerilog. So these methods or functions have like insert, you can insert some values, but you should write index and item. Now delete, with specific index you can delete, or whole array you can delete. You have already seen this size in previous array, so that is same thing. Now here is 4 part push and pop, which I will explain now. Shuffle, you can shuffle your array, but let's see this explanation here. Now let's say there is one cave, this is one cave, okay, and this is entrance of cave and this is exit of cave. Okay, so let's say enter, this is enter. Okay, and whenever people make a queue, means simple thing is that you have make a line for entering something or exiting something. Okay, so you are entering, so you will use push keyword. Okay, now let's say cave dot push. Now what push? Push front, from front side. Entrance side you are pushing, so push front, and whatever you want to push, for example A, let's say. So this is your push front, but what you want to exit. Okay, if you want to exit or take out that number A, let's say, okay, this number A, this is A, so this is A, you want to take out from our cave, we will say cave dot pop from front side, front. Okay, and here is your A, so here you will take out the A from your cave. Okay, now here is push back and push front. So what does back mean? So back is for exit. Okay, let's say this is exit of cave. Okay, this is exit, and if a person want to exit from a cave, then we will say, see, direction should be same. Okay, push is means this side, so this is will be push back. Okay, push back, let's say A only. If you are entering A from this side, then exit A, and same cave dot. Okay, and if you want to enter from back side, a person want to enter from back side of the cave, then he will say cave dot pop back. and if there is only one number, so you can directly use pushback and popback. Okay, now let's say this is one queue A B C D. If you directly write, let's say name of it is array only. Okay, ARR. So if array dot you write pushback, okay, pushback, so D will be out and it will become A B C, and here it will not create memory for this one. Okay, I am only writing this because you should understand. Now if you write array dot pop front, okay, so here it will take out A. Okay, so it will be becoming B and D. Okay, so in this way also you can use push and pop. Now we will write code for this one, our array, with the help of string. Okay, we will use string here. Now
hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
So let's say if it is a module, name is our queue, okay, and I have declared a string with name animal without any size. Okay, now here you can see you have used our square bracket. Okay, we have used our square bracket, but when we will enter some variables in initial begin, always write on block initial begin animal, you are using curly bracket and you are entering tiger, cat. Okay, this is one method, but SystemVerilog also given another method for entering these values, and that is insert. So let's say this is 0, this is 1 index, so we will write animal dot insert. Now here in bracket next index is 2, or you can use another index as well, and you will write dog. So your array will become tiger, cat, dog. In this way your array will become with the help of insert. Now if you want to delete, now you will write animal dot delete. Now delete has our two methods. First is deleting one index and deleting whole array. So we will first delete our index. Okay, so we will delete index number 2, let's say 1. Okay, middle index we are deleting, so our array will become this array, dog will be there, tiger will be there, and cat will be removed. Okay, so here array will be tiger and dog. Okay, if you want to delete whole array, then you will write animal dot delete, and your whole array will be deleted. And all these things you can print with $display animal %p and animal. Also you can write animal dot size, so it will also return you a size, and end of our initial block and module. So in this way you can write queue, you have methods, you can shuffle that with directly writing your animal dot shuffle, whatever spelling is there, and your array, if for example your array is like this, tiger, cat, dog, so your array will randomly shuffle like dog, tiger, cat. So this is a shuffle method. So in this way you can, if there is another method, you can use with our dot and delete method like this. The same process and same thing is there. for any kind of array. Okay, now let's see some code for this one. So this is our code. So here I have declared an example of animal, and the size of animal you can just directly print $size in this way. And I have put tiger and lion, then display the tiger lion with the help of size, and insert a single with our different indexes. So let's see this part first. So this is lion. Oh, 1 sec. Okay, so we are getting the size 2 because we have only put tiger and lion, and with different index we have put tiger lion, and another elephant zebra we have put with insert keyword. Okay, so here it will be 0 and 1, but you have put 1 here, so lion will get shifted to 2. Okay, so therefore here you cannot see tiger lion. You will be seeing 0 tiger, 1 elephant, and 2 lion. So this is also one feature of queue. It will give a new index for our lion because you have inserted a specific index for elephant. Now you can display this thing with the help of your for each loop. And yeah, delete. I have already told that you can delete with specific index, you can delete whole array, and you can again put some values. So in this way you can write your queue. So thank you.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.